Most people get online personal loans wrong by assuming the process is complicated or risky, but Barwell makes borrowing transparent and straightforward. Today, I'm sharing my honest review after using Barwell loans. Barwell offers personal loans ranging from $500 to $35,000 with flexible repayment terms. The surprising truth is how fast their approval process is. Most people get this wrong by assuming online loans are slow, but you can often get an instant decision and funds in a few days. The application is fully online. You provide personal details, income information, and consent to a credit check. Barwell uses this information to show you pre-approved loan options with clear interest rates and monthly payments. No hidden fees or surprises. Interest rates are competitive, especially for borrowers with good credit. Barwell also provides free credit score monitoring and insights, which helps you understand your financial health. Late payments can result in fees, so it's important to borrow responsibly and plan repayments carefully. Customer support is responsive, with options to contact via email or phone. One minor limitation is that loan availability may vary by province or state, so not all users can access every loan type. In conclusion, Barwell Loans is ideal for anyone needing quick, transparent personal financing. It's a reliable platform for those who understand the costs and want a straightforward borrowing experience. Subscribe for more honest loan reviews so you can make informed financial decisions before borrowing.